Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So glad you guys could make it. My name is Brittany. If it's your first time, go ahead and just pound that subscribe button for me, okay? And in today's video, I was at the beauty supply the other day and I saw they had these really cool Ankara like turbans, and I was like, I could automatically have to start thinking about the looks that I could do, you know, with it. And this is what I was able to achieve, and I hope you guys like it because I am so pleased with how it came out. And that's pretty much what this video is about, is Ankara inspired makeup. So make sure you comment, like, make sure you like let me re-emphasize that, make sure you like so other people can see my videos, okay? And follow me on Instagram because I post cute little makeup tutorials on there. I will leave my Instagram handle in the description box, as well as all the products that I use. And without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video. Okay, so jumping into the Morphe 35B palette. Guys, this is the only palette that I used for this whole entire look. And just want to say I'm super proud of myself. Okay, but taking that dark plum color, I took an ABH brush, the brushes that usually come with the eyeshadow palettes, and began to pack that onto my lid and winging it out at the same time. And then I went into that pink color. You know, because it's lighter, I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And I'm just taking the other end of that brush to buff that pink into the purple and just making sure everything is blended and in a gradient. And then I went into the black color. And this is how we began to add depth into the eyes. So we deepened it up, you know, made it real dramatic. And I took a Morphe brush. I will link all the brushes that I use for this look in the description box as well. And as you guys can see, I went back in with the pink and I'm just blending everything out, making sure it's seamless, and that looks pretty seamless to me. Now I'm beginning to cut the crease, and you guys know, like, I use a lighter color concealer to cut my crease because I feel like the crease comes out more prominent that way. And then going back into that 35B palette, I took that bright electric blue. Oh my god, this is like my favorite color in that whole palette. Like, I use this color all the time. It is just like, you guys can see, like, this is like no edit, nothing. Like, it's just this pigmented and it's just amazing. But I took another Morphe brush to pack all of that on, and I left like a white I left the top part of the concealer because I wanted it to mimic, like, you know, like a wing, like a liquid white liner of some sort. I don't know, I just thought it'd be cute. And then I went in with wipes to, you know, sharpen out the edges. And I just hated how it got in my hair because the wing was so like long. And then I went back in with concealer and a shading brush to sharpen everything out. And so for my face, I'm taking my Milk Hydrogrip primer, and I'm just priming my face. And then I'm using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation, and my shade is Mocha. And I took a Morphe, I can't remember the name of the brush, but it's like a really dense foundation brush. And then, you know, it's really nice. So that's what I'm using to buff all of that foundation out. And it's always so hard, like, getting, like, you know, between like the eyebrows and like under your eyes. You know, you don't want to mess up the eyeshadow. Oh my god, it can be tedious, it can, but you know, we make it work. Okay, and to conceal, I'm taking the lovely Toofaced Born This Way concealer, and the highlight shade that I use is Chestnut, and I always blend it out with the sponge. And this is the e.l.f. sponge. This is a really good sponge, guys, and it's only $5. And come on, look at my face, like, it does a really good job. And then to set all that in, I'm taking my other girlfriend, Sacha Buttercup, and I'm just happy and just putting my powder on. So to add some warmth back into my face, I took the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and the shade I used was Mocha Mami, and it's really red and warm, and it just does what it needs to do. And so then I went back in the Sacha Buttercup to cut my cheekbones in order to show the contour and everything. And then I'm highlighting using my favorite highlighter ever. And I'm using a Morphe brush to apply that. And now I'm just setting my face using the Morphe Continuous Mist. And I went ahead and put my lashes on off camera. I am riding these lashes until the wheels fall off. Like, these lashes are so old, yet I'm still wearing them, and I'm going to continue to wear them. And then I just put on some earrings here to add, you know, to the look. And then to line my lips, I use this Loreal lip pencil. And this lip pencil is thebomb.com. Like, it's so creamy, so smooth. Like, you guys see how smooth I'm applying it? Like, that's literally how smooth it is. Like, and it's inexpensive, and you can sharpen it. Ugh. Like, and the color, like, is so rich, and I just love it. Then I just topped it off with the Colourpop lip gloss. This is like a peachy nude, and I thought it would have really paired nicely with the like dark plum purple. And yeah, I just put that on, and we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and why not turn on my notifications? But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.